Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of First Tries Cooking. Today and tomorrow, because this could be a multi-day process, we are going to start making carnitas. Found a recipe online to do it, cook it sous vide. We're going to see how this goes. We'll actually tomorrow have a couple of extra taste testers. And we're going to try, I'm going to try the fermented habanero hot sauce that I made. You can check that out in another video. I'll put a link to it. Okay, so here we have, this is when I made the pulled pork, separated one part of the pork, the Boston butt, from this part, and this is what we have left over. It's in a few pieces, but basically the only thing you have to do to prepare this is to salt it really well, and because you want it to have a lot of flavor. All right, we got a little bit of a thunderstorm going on here too, so hopefully that won't come through too much. And it's going to probably look like I'm putting on a lot of salt, which I am. All right, so we've got the carnitas, or the pork. It's not carnitas yet. Got the pork in the sous vide pot, and we got it set to 140 Fahrenheit, which I think is about 60 Celsius. And we're gonna let this go overnight for at least 12 hours. Might be an hour or two over, since it's 7 o'clock here, and I don't know that I'll be up at 7 tomorrow morning, but we'll see. Okay, so we got this out of the sous vide cooker, and went for about 13 hours, and we're going to put this in the oven now for 20 minutes at about 500 degrees. Okay, so this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven after 20 minutes. I'm going to cube it up, toss it around in a pan for a minute with a little bit of grapeseed oil, and that should give it even a little bit more extra flavor. All right, everybody, so we are about to test the carnitas. We've got some soft shell and some hard shell tacos, and this has been a little while in the making. Like I said, we've got some special guests. We got my brother-in-law, David, and my sister, Lisa.
Hello.
Hello. And so, yep, honest reactions. Let's see what you think.
Here we go.
Mmm. This is delicious, Jeff.
Mm-hmm.
Really good.
Yeah?
Good.
Mm-hmm.
Delicious.
Is it juicy, dried out? Is it okay?
Very juicy.
It's juicy.
Yeah?
It's very tender.
Excellent.
Juicy, has great flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Good, good.
Yummy. Now,
All right.
We're just going to eat.
Best taco I've ever had.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Nice. All right, so I'm going to try this fermented habanero hot sauce on mine. I've got some onions. I don't have any guacamole, but that's okay. I'll get that in just a second. Actually, maybe I'll put some on there too.
That's what I forgot.
I've already taste tested this. You may have seen it in the other video. If not, go check it out. It's a little spicy. It's got some heat. Got some homemade guacamole that I made earlier. Throw that on there. I got sauteed onions. I've got queso with jalapenos, and I've got cheddar cheese, so this is going to be the flavor bomb.
Good stuff, huh?
Wow. That is so much flavor.
Spicy?
It's not really that spicy when you've got it mixed in with everything. I mean, it's got some heat. But it just adds a lot of flavor. That and the lime juice that's in the guacamole.
I bet.
And
Lots of good flavor.
the lime juice that's in the guacamole and
I'll put guac on
onions
my
and all
other
that. So, yeah, give this 2 thumbs up.
Mm-hmm.
So if you like this video,
Slap the like button, smash the subscribe button, and kick the notification bell.
right. All right, thanks everybody. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.